7 old years, writing what they wanna hear, an author of fictional stories. I've been filling the space.
Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today I'm going to show you how to make garlic butter steak, tossing Chinese broccoli. I mean, you can use like any other vegetables that you like a green beans, regular broccoli, cauliflower, a mixture of vegetables, whatever you like. I actually just made this because I was having this butcher box dinner, like the steaks that they are sending to me. And if you wanna check it out, their program, go ahead and check down below. So I made this dish, post on Instagram, and all of you want the recipe. Super simple. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna make a recipe for you because I'm that nice to you all the time. Okay, stop dancing, Seonkyoung. Stop. Okay. So first, I need to cut up my beef. So I'm using tri-tip today. You can use any cut of your, like a tender enough steak cut. You can use a beef chuck. You can use a New York steak, or I think a sirloin steak will do. We will need about a pound of a tri-tip or the choice of your steak. And we are going to cut them into 1-inch cube size, 1 to 1.5-inch cube size, about, you know, this size. Like, maybe a little big for 1 bite size for some girly girls out there, but like perfect 1 bite size for Seonkyoung. I'm gonna place my beef into the mixing bowl because we are going to marinate them. So into the beef, we are going to put a lot of black pepper, about a teaspoon. Can you tell I like a lot of black peppers with my steak? Okay, and to season, so this is totally your choice of seasoning. Yes, so many of you guys, so good! Had to do it, I don't know why. But so many of you guys asked me, Seonkyoung, can you make keto-friendly or paleo recipes of Asian food? I'm like, I don't eat those. I don't cook those. But whenever I found this coconut aminos in my pantry, deep inside of my pantry, you know what? I believe coconut aminos is like a keto-friendly or paleo-friendly because there's no extra sugar in it. But it has a little sweetness, only from the organic fair trade coconut flower blossom nectar. I'm pretty good at reading, Anna. So I'm going to season my steak with a tablespoon of coconut aminos. But if you don't have the aminos, don't worry. Either use tablespoon of oyster sauce, or you can use tablespoon of fish sauce, or you can use tablespoon of soy sauce, or you can use tablespoon of Maggi sauce, which is seasoning soy sauce. So all those works. But I just really like the flavor with this, a little slightly sweet, savory, great flavor. So that's what I decided to use. Take my rings off. Mix it with your hand. And you can marinate this for like 10-15 minutes. Or if you want to, overnight works too. But right now, I'm kind of hungry. I'm hurried to eat. I should make a merchandise, hurry to eat. Hurry to eat. So I'm just going to marinate while I'm doing other stuff, which is cutting up my Chinese broccoli and chopping some of my garlic, and that will be probably 10 minutes. All right, so while my beef is marinating, I'm going to bring a little bit of water in my skillet, just, you know, like about 1/3 to halfway up, a little bit of water there where we're gonna blanch our vegetables. So today I'm using Chinese broccoli, but you can use any other vegetables that you prefer. You can use spinach, you can use kale, you can use broccoli, you can use green bean, long bean, cauliflower, Swiss chard, like literally any vegetables that you prefer. Oh, I need to add some salt into my water because I do want to season my vegetable a little bit by blanching it. So I'm just gonna cut them into 1 bite size, diagonal angle. So you will need about 1/2 pound to 1 pound of vegetables that you wanna serve with. While I'm waiting the water to boil, I'm going to also chop up 10 cloves of garlic. We're making garlic butter steak, guys. It's got to be 10 cloves, right? We like 10 cloves of garlic in our recipe, and aren't we? Don't we? Don't we? We like 10 cloves of garlic, don't we? acting like I didn't make mistake of my grandma. You cannot be my friend if you think 10 cloves garlic is too much. I cannot be your friend. Sorry. And we're just going to roughly chop. It doesn't have to be super fine. I actually like big chunk of garlic in this recipe. Okay, my water is about to start simmering. I'm going to drop my broccoli, Chinese broccoli. The salt in the blanching water helps the vegetable to season and get little salty flavor in it, but also helps to bring out the color, which is beautiful. I love blanching vegetables, if you didn't know. The fact about Seonkyoung. Seonkyoung loves blanching vegetables in salted water. I'm gonna take all the leaves out first, because the leaves usually cook the fastest. It's gonna be so good with the garlic butter, with the steak. Actually, whenever I said I'm gonna use Chinese broccoli, Jacob asked me, so is that beef and broccoli? I guess so, but like it's different. It's different. Oh, by the way, if you wanna know my beef and broccoli recipe, go ahead and check it right here. It's a little old video, but the recipe is phenomenal, so you better check it out. Anyways, I'm gonna turn it off. Let me throw this water out so I can start cooking the beef. Now, turn the heat back on and quickly add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Recipe starts with melting the butter, always ending up happy and delicious. You know what I mean? Now it's time to add the steak. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Spread the steak nice and even, so they will nice and golden brown, seared all evenly. I'm so happy right now. So depending on how you like your steak, you can cook total of 5 minutes to 7 minutes or until steak is dead. Smells fantastic here already. When I'm cooking the steak, I like to use either stainless skillet like this or cast iron pan, because that actually helps the steak to sear nice and golden brown really great. I love using them. So steak is nice, like nice and seared. This is the time I'm gonna add all of my garlic. Or 2 to 3 minutes before the steak is about to be done. It's gonna be yummy! Okay, now my garlic is turned up brown beautifully. Steak is nice and seared. This is time, add the broccoli, toss everything together. Okay, now I need a tongue. Woo! To your taste, because to create like a little sauce, I'm gonna put a little more dash of the aminos. Not too much, to create like a little more like a sauce all around everything. And to your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just finishing up everything. Somebody bring me some rice already. Looks good, looks good. All right, turn off the heat. Ready to serve. I've been heating up my cast iron pan, and I'm gonna put some broccoli on the bottom first. Not necessary, but it looks like it needs something on top, so a little finishing sizzle. Jacob loves this, so why not? All right, this is it, guys. This is it. Oh, it looks so good. Okay. Oh, I wish we were eating noodles. Wearing black on black noodle shirts.
Still digging the black on black noodles.
I like it. I really like this Black on black. Okay.
Whatever
Because the white on white, I don't think it works, but the black on black works. Okay, ready?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
You like green bean or broccoli?
I like the green bean, but I think I like the broccoli better.
I like the steak swimming in the sauce and get some extra garlic. They fry the garlic. So good in here.
You have no idea. So simple ingredient too. You really can't go wrong with butter, the soy sauce or aminos, and a little bit of extra pinching salt. Can't go wrong with that.
This is our first meal, so we are being like really quiet and just digging in.
Maybe that's why it's so good. No, it's really that good.
In my world.
I guess we could use more vegetable. Maybe a pound of vegetable. When I made it with the green beans, the vegetable was perfect because we both, I guess, green bean, we don't like it as much as we like this one.
I wish I could say I was exaggerating, like, oh my gosh, it's so good, but it's really that good. Good job.
Oh.
I was saying, you're trying to give me a high five, I'm trying to give her a kiss.
If you liked my garlic butter steak, please give this video a thumbs up. Come on now. Thumbs up. I can stop eating right now. You guys are gonna love this recipe. And subscribe my channel if you haven't. Sorry. Even I'm closing, I cannot stop eating.
For more inspirations and ideas
of Asian home cooking. Thank you, babe. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longas, and this is Asian at home. Make sure if you cook my recipe, take a picture, ching 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 ching. Tag me, Seonkyoung Longas, on Instagram and Facebook so I can shout out you, your picture on my Instagram story, or I can like and comment on your post, okay? I love you guys. Bye.
New merch. New merch. New merch.
Oh, yeah. Check down below. You can buy my merch now from YouTube. And it's very portable, okay?
Look at it when you're talking to them. What are you doing? You're like down here like, yeah, check it out.
Just, I mean, sorry.
That's my rice. Right. It's good with rice,
but I was sneaking out and I was sneaking in back into your room again. Oh, honey, please, can't you see what I see?